How can I fix the issue of colored dots appearing on my Samsung TV screen when using the remote?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that some Samsung TV owners might encounter: the appearance of colored dots on the TV screen when using the remote. It can be frustrating to deal with this problem, but worry not, as we're here to help you fix it. Let's get started.
Troubleshooting the remote.
The first step is to check if the colored dots issue is actually related to the remote. Sometimes, the problem might not be with the TV itself, but rather with the remote control. Here's what you can do. 1. Replace the batteries. A weak or dying battery in the remote can cause all sorts of strange behavior. Try replacing the batteries with fresh ones and see if the issue persists. 2. Clean the remote. Dust or debris on the remote's infrared (IR) sensor can interfere with its signals. Gently wipe the remote surface and the IR sensor using a clean, lint-free cloth. 3. Try a different remote. If you have access to another Samsung TV remote, try using it with your TV. This will help determine if the issue is specific to your remote or if it's a problem with the TV itself.
Resetting the TV.
If the colored dots still appear on the screen after troubleshooting the remote, the next step is to reset the TV. Resetting the TV can often resolve software-related issues that may be causing the problem. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the TV's menu. Use the TV's physical buttons or the remote to navigate to the menu. 2. Find the Settings or Options section. Look for the Settings or Options menu within the TV's menu interface. 3. Locate the Reset option. Depending on your TV model, the Reset option may be called Reset TV, Factory Reset, or something similar. Select this option. 4. Confirm the reset. You will typically be asked to confirm the reset. Read the on-screen instructions and proceed with caution, as a reset will erase any customized settings and return the TV to its default factory settings.
Professional assistance.
If the colored dots persist on the screen even after performing a reset, it's recommended to seek professional assistance. There might be an underlying hardware issue that needs to be addressed by a qualified technician. Here's what you can do. 1. Contact Samsung support. Reach out to Samsung's customer support or visit their website to find authorized service centers in your area. They can provide guidance and arrange for repairs if necessary. 2. Explain the issue. When contacting the support or service center, provide a clear and detailed description of the problem, including when it started and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This will help them diagnose the issue more accurately. 3. Follow their instructions. The support team or technician will guide you through the necessary steps to address the problem. It's important to follow their instructions carefully to avoid any further complications. That's it, folks. We've covered some steps to help you fix the issue of colored dots appearing on your Samsung TV screen when using the remote. Remember to troubleshoot the remote first, try resetting the TV, and if needed, seek professional assistance. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.